Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Cilla's Stuff and Things. Today we are bringing it outside to our patio because we've been here since March, right? COVID. And so we need to spruce it up a little bit. We bought this house about a year ago and we've had all the same decor out here. So I thought we're spending a lot more time. Let's make it look fun. So come along with me and see what we do to spruce up our back patio. You guys will notice all of this patio furniture was here when we got here. It's a little bland, but you know, it's lived in. It's our house. This is our sitting area. We've got a rug down here and we've got our fire pit, but I want to just, I don't know, I'm a bright color kind of girl and I want to bring some bright colors in here to this space. I know, you're like, girl, why do you have this speaker on this hookup here? Well, Abigail, if you don't know, my daughter has autism. She loves music and that's what plays her music, but she wants to pull it out of the plug. So we had to put it up there to rescue it. First impression, right? This screw has been here since we moved in and we didn't have anything. So now we do. I think it's gonna be so cute to walk up to this right here. Everything that you see today, I got on sale, 50% off, going out of business sales. So always shop those sale items. Now guys, I'm not telling you go out and buy all new furniture. Keep your furniture black, brown, that's good neutral colors. And then you just buy your cushions, your little throw pillows to add that pop of color. So these pillows were the first thing that I bought and I used these colors in here to get a good theme going. I love bright colors, like it's my thing. I don't know if I mentioned, but I live in Florida. It's 100 degrees outside today with like 100% humidity. So don't mind the glistening at this point, okay? We found this sun, but I want it to have color to it. So if you don't know how to paint or anything like that, I don't know how to paint. I'm not crafty. That's not my thing. Find you a husband that is good at those kind of things. That's what I did. And so he is going to paint this yellow and he bought this sponge so he can make it texturized, okay? So make sure obviously that you have a backdrop for painting. This rug that you see him painting on, we're getting rid of it. So that's why it's not a big deal. Oh my gosh, it's perfect.
Like that.
If you've seen any other of my house videos, I'm a huge wreath person. I have them everywhere. I feel like they just add so much to a space and you can change them out for all the different seasons. So we got like a really cute spring/summer little wreath. Look at that. It just brings us, it just makes it so alive. I'm so excited. Another quick and easy way to brighten it up is put down a new mat. Not everything has to be crafty. I am all about simplicity. Look at that. And it's inexpensive. And again, you can change it out with the different seasons, which I love to do that. Just rolling up a rug. I don't need a man. I can do this. Just have him here for the heavy lifting and the painting. Anything painting. All right, so we threw down some outdoor rugs. We ended up using 2 because this is a large space. They're 5x7s, but that'll be nice because it'll be easy to clean underneath them and move them. So I really like it. I think it added a lot to this area and it makes it look bigger, I think. So I'm excited. Okay guys, it's kind of the theme here. Inexpensive ways to dress up your space. I bought these multicolored placemats and I thought they would just be fun to put around the table. And then when I'm not using them, I'm gonna have this basket in the middle of the table and we can just throw them right in there. So it's gonna add that little pop of color that we need. And I just pulled the colors out of the pillows and the rugs to get these. You also have a spot now to put all your sunscreens, your bug spray, your leave-in, sun-in, and just, it makes it look neater in the middle of your table. Here I am trying to make all these chairs fit and I'm like, the placemats aren't fitting. Y'all, I've been here a year and just realized there are 7 chairs out here. I don't know why. Why would you put 7? That's a random number. This is like a baker's dozen for chairs. Like, what is that? There we go. Doesn't that look cute? Do you like it?
I do.
I love it. We only have one thing left. All right, guys, final step. We bought this plastic pot because we have kids and dogs. We put some sand in there, and don't be too prideful and not think that you can't use fake plants outside. Because if you have a black thumb like I do, this is a great alternative. Alrighty guys, let me know what you think. You know, it's not a drastic difference, but a little pop of color I really think makes the area feel good and refreshed. And it's nice because we're spending so much time at home right now that it's just gonna put everybody in a better mood. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys. I may have been able to do this.
Totally could have been able to do this.
I get excited with spray paint though.
Dang. This looks great.
Right?
Yeah.
It looks so different out here.
I-
It looks so good.
Thanks. Look, we're getting like real reactions and everything. That's fun.